Kevin O'Leary has zero interest in investing in anything with litigation from the SEC. This is a very bad idea. I have no interest in being a crypto cowboy. Huh. I've always wanted to be a cowboy. Hello everybody and welcome to Madsen Crypto. Today we're going to be taking a look at XRP, Ripple. We're going to be taking a lot of time with technical analysis. And we're also going to be looking at Bitcoin. So we're going to be doing XRP technical analysis, Bitcoin technical analysis, and there's lots of it. We're not going to be doing a lot of XRP news per se, just because most of the news is in regard to the SEC lawsuit, which has been pretty silent recently. So there's not much I can do about it, guys. Now, if you guys don't know yet, I am doing a giveaway for $100 US. I'm going to be giving it away in XLM. All you have to do is put a comment on this video or any other video. Just one comment. If you put more than one comment, it will be marked as null and not part of the giveaway. So keep that in mind. You also have to be a subscriber, and that is it. So comment, be a subscriber. That's it. Now, I do really love this coin. I love making videos about this coin, but sadly, I do not get very many views on these kind of videos just because it is a very diluted market on YouTube for XRP. So I do really appreciate you guys who found this video and are watching it. I have a lot of very good news. So before we take a look at XRP directly, we're going to take a look at Bitcoin because Bitcoin kind of controls the market for every coin. So here we are. It looks very similar to the XRP chart, as you can probably already tell. And taking a look, we're going to start from more of a macro level, and then we'll work our way down to our day traders and swing trading price action. So right now we are in the midst of a giant wedge, as you guys have probably known by watching my videos. I basically do a Bitcoin TA in every single one of my videos. So if you want to stay updated with the entire market and my main coins, you can go take a look at my channel to see what my main coins sort of are, and you will be updated with those, especially XRP, because I really love XRP. So if you guys are a fan of XRP, subscribe because you're helping this community grow and you're helping to get the best XRP knowledge available. As you guys know, we have this green dotted line down here. This is our $1 trillion market cap level. This is an insane support, so I cannot foresee us pushing down below this anytime soon. We are above it and we are going to stay above it. Furthermore, we are in this giant descending wedge, and it is very bullish sign. We are bound to bounce off the bottom of this wedge, but we could have already done that right about here, so we might not have to worry about another dip. This could be the breakout. So what you should be watching for is breaking key resistance. Key resistance here, I'm going to give you this level, write this down. 58,253 is our key resistance point from the bottom, and from the top of that kind of resistance zone, it is about 59,647, so you guys can write that down as well. So if we can break that, we are looking positive when we're looking to break to these levels, and we'll have to retest there and we'll have to see what happens from that point. So these two levels are 62,435. This is approximate, guys. I'm not gonna go exactly, but pretty close, and 63,829, about those levels. So write those down. Those are very important levels that we are going to be looking to find support and resistance. Keep in mind, these two levels here are very interchangeable from support to resistance. As you can see back here, we came up, then we fell into this channel where this was our support and this was our resistance, right? So we just kept bouncing up and down, and then we broke out, and then we found support here briefly, which we broke back down, then we broke back down through here, and now what used to be our support is now our resistance. So that is very important to keep in mind, that these interchange quite often. So right now we're obviously seeing this as resistance, so that's what I'm saying. We have to try and break through this, so keep your eye on those levels. Put them on your own chart. Going down a level to the 4-hour chart, if we take a look at our RSI down here, you can see that we have some insane bullish divergence starting all the way back from November 15th. So this is long-term bullish divergence on the RSI, which is a very bullish sign, which means the price action is bound to go up. If you guys look, the price action since this point right here has been steadily going down while our RSI goes up. This is a very good sign of a reversal, so keep that in mind as well. So putting together that RSI plus our key support, which we have nearly touched, including this very bullish wedge here, including our touch here, proving that this wedge is reliable. The only thing that we're worried about now is this 200 EMA. So we really have to watch that 200 EMA, because that, in my opinion, is more important than these key resistance and key support lines here. We have to really watch that 200 EMA. and it is the same on everybody's chart. I'm on the 4-hour chart right now. I love the 4-hour chart. It is one of my favorite charts to trade with, as you guys know. So really watch this 200 EMA, see how we are finding all this resistance off of it, and we keep trying to retest it. If we retest it again, we could break through, and if we break through, that is awesome, because then we will be more bullish because we are breaking above since November 16th. So this will be a very good Christmas present for everybody if we break up, and we will see that trickle down into the rest of the market, including some of my favorite coins like Quant, Theta, XRP, etc., etc. So keep your eyes on that. So we are looking very bullish in the Bitcoin chart at the moment. So I'm going to go to the XRP chart and we're going to take a look at that as well. So guys, here we are on the XRP chart and it is looking pretty extravagant. It looks like an art piece. We have quite a few wedges going on. We have these two big wedges as well as our golden Fibonacci levels. Now this first bottom support here has been going on for a very, very long time from last year, December. So this is a ongoing support that has been going on and fairly respected. I mean, as respected as it can get until we retest it for a solid year. So that is very promising. We also have this level up here from our top resistance where we topped out last. Keep in mind that is not our all-time high, but this is our last very large bull run. And then this down here. And also keep in mind on an even more macro level from our old all-time high up here, we have this chart was actually on Forbes. So you know a lot of people are using this level. So this is going to be a very respected level. So I suggest you guys mark this up and keep your eye on this level as well. And if we manage to break up to this level, which I don't think is going to happen until our SEC lawsuit is over. I just want to say that there's not going to be any big moves, in my opinion, in XRP until that gets resolved. That is what everybody's waiting for. That is why this is such a controversial coin. That is also why I have a lot of faith in this coin, because everybody knows about it. It's a gem sitting out in the open, but nobody wants to grab it because they're scared of the SEC. Really, really watch this coin. Be ready for that news. If we break up, if we break down, be ready to make your move, because this is going to be the turning point for XRP. This could be all or nothing. You know what I mean? So keep an eye on this level. I mean, we could possibly get up to here before the SEC lawsuit's done. I know I'm contradicting myself. Unlikely, in my opinion. But this is $1.65 around that area. And in the long term, you know, if we do decide to break up out of this wedge, we're only going to end up going about there. So it will have to make a move either up or down by this point at about the 9th of March. So hopefully by March we will have some kind of movement. And we could be looking at $1.59 around that area. So that's more of a very speculative guess on what could happen in the distant to mid future. So keep that in mind. Now going down to the 4-hour chart, we are kind of in the same situation as Bitcoin. We are in a very similar situation to Bitcoin. We have this sort of cup and handle formation here, as well as we have our 200 EMA playing goalie for us getting up to any higher levels above $1.06. So we need to break this. We need Bitcoin to help us boost us past this 200 EMA, and we need to find that support. So let's chart this out a little bit and see what we got going on. We're going to go to the line chart just so we can see things a little more clearly. So we're using this top level here as well as this level as the top of our cup and handle. And we can have angled cup and handles. That's a very real thing. So keep that in mind as well. We will do our angled cup and handle level right. So here we have a couple lines that people are going to be looking at, as well as this here, which is why we bounced off that spot in the first place. So this is kind of what we're looking at right now. Some of these resistance lines here, and coming down, it will probably line up with the top of our cup and handle. And hopefully we can make it back up to that level. So taking a look at our RSI, just along with Bitcoin, we are seeing the same thing. We are seeing some bullish divergence right here, and it has been going on since the 19th of November. And on the price action, you can clearly see we've been going down. So this is another very bullish sign for XRP as well. I'm looking for the pump to end at the top of this cup. So we're looking at about 8% in the short to mid term, more short term. 8% pump would be lovely, and that would be up at $1.05. And if you guys don't know what the cup and handle is all about, basically this shape is perfect. It's lining up with our diagonal cup and handle here. And we're having this dip down, touching this nice trend line that's helping us produce this cup and handle. And we are hopefully going to come up to this level here. This is where the cup and handle pattern seems to get the most buys. And this is why you see the pump up to this level. So that is kind of what I'm expecting to see. I would really like to see that, and it'll especially help if we can get some help from Bitcoin. So guys, that is all I got for you today. If you guys want to be part of that giveaway, make sure to comment and sub. Thank you to everybody who has already subbed, comment, and liked this video. I really appreciate you, especially because this is such a diluted market and it's really hard to make videos for this that get any views. So it seems a little redundant for me to make them, but I still love the coin and I love doing what I'm doing for you guys. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next one.